What's the meaning of corps de ballet? Corps de ballet. Corps de ballet.
Corps de ballet. Corps de ballet. Corps de ballet is a French term that refers to the group of dancers who perform together in a ballet production. The dancers in the corps de ballet are typically not soloists or lead performers, but rather provide a backdrop for the principal dancers. They often perform synchronized movements and create patterns on stage to enhance the overall visual effect of the production. The corps de ballet is an essential element of many classical ballets and requires discipline, precision, and teamwork from its members.